Are your dock lights mounted in the traditional low position? Dock lights by design can protrude into the door opening or can hit workers and equipment. Our new DL2 integrated dock light is easy to miss, and that's the whole point. Loading docks are evolving, and so is the demand for lighting. Our LED lights are integrated directly into the loading dock arm. The DL2 passes around the overhead door hardware and utilizes the bump stop feature. Our DL2 can be stored parallel to the door. Mounting the dock light higher provides an indirect illumination to the trailer. The combined features of the DL2 integrated light makes it a perfect solution to the modern loading dock. Tri-Light uses a human-centric approach to target optimal performance criteria for our LEDs. Proudly made in the USA. Upgrade your loading dock today.